Okay guys, welcome back. We are still busy with those footwork runs I did in the class with my students, but they often forget all about it. And then when they do these battles, they repeat all the time the same moves and the same runs. So that's why we do these little vids, but if you're watching this, you can take this stuff and use it if you like it, right? So this will all be like these special variations, not necessarily foundation footwork, because you know, we already taught that. I did a lot of vids on this if you're wondering how to get the foundation down, right? Today let's start for the back for a change. So to get to the back, you can simply do some footwork, right? So for instance, when I start from the front, I can do the first 3 steps of the 6th step to get there. Now from the side, you'll see I point my toes, and by pointing your toes, you can actually glide like this. So what I'm going to do now is simply glide on the floor like that 3 or 4 times. So from the side, like for instance, when I enter into this little move, you see me glide on the floor. Then what we'll do is we attach the foot to the knee, we kick back. And if you look at my head, you see it go up like that. So it's like 1, 2, 3, bam, place the foot. Now we're going to switch, and what we're going to do now is place the hand on the floor, and we're going to jump a half turn. Well, it's very easy because this hand is here, but what you want to do is place your feet, at least 1 foot, you can do 2 if you need to, on the floor, so you catch yourself. So I'm going to jump on my shoulder like this, right, little jump right there. So let's do the same thing again. It's like that little move. Glide, 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 kick, yeah, jump on the shoulder like this. From this position, we can do the back rock on our, in the CC, because that's the easiest one. So what is back rock? It's pretty much footwork on your back. The golden rule in back rocks is always keep that lower back off the floor, guys. So in this case, because this leg's already in there, all you can do is place it and make the CC motion with your body. You actually go a little bit in the shoulder freeze. So I did a tutorial on shoulder freeze, but all this laying on your shoulder if you can't do that. CC, switch to that CC. From here, what we're going to do is place our hands in the freeze, right? Go back and continue the footwork. So if you look at that little run, what we're going to do is that little 6-step thing, that slide on our knees with that kick. Jump on your back, make the CC on your back, like with the back rocks. Of course, there's many kinds of back rocks, it's just footwork on your back, but this one. And then you're going to turn back using that windmill technique to go back to the freeze, and you simply continue your footwork. So let's look at the whole thing as one, right? So that's the whole run. In practice, I suggest you practice all these elements separately, and then do the little run. And what you can do is to make your own stuff is just take like small pieces of this, small pieces of that, and make a new run pretty much, and just freestyle with it, right? That's what freestyle is. So you can just take these little pieces and make them, put them together to make something new pretty much, right? But as you practice this, try also to make this full run like we practiced in the class, guys. So let's do the whole thing. So it goes from here, glide, 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 jump, bam, go on your back, make the CC, turn around to the freeze, right? And of course stand up like a champ as always, guys. So that's the little run we did in the class. You can play around with this. Try to glide here, maybe go to the front, maybe jump, I don't know. You can really play with this, right? Use this stuff, guys. Yet again, not foundation, very fun to see this kind of stuff in the battle instead of just the same 6 steps and 5 steps, guys. See you next time.